Hey guys, Mr. Randall, and seeing how we have a test coming up for statistics, I made a little review video for you guys. So I know in class usually we'll have like a review sheet or a review activity, and well, as you can see, there is no assignment, so it's kind of up to you guys to study for it. Maybe go back, look at those quizzes, maybe look at Khan Academy or that math games. Okay, again, it's kind of up to you guys. A lot of this remote learning depends on you. I can give you all the content, but you need to work as hard as you can to understand it. Okay? So, looking at this, we have, why do we use statistics, first of all? Well, if you remember, statistics is when we have a big number, or a big group of numbers, and we try and make sense of it. So, make sense of numbers. That's supposed to say make sense of numbers. Yep. So we're trying to make sense of numbers here, and here's an example of us trying to find the the center here, and that the center is going to be the mean. Remember, we can have the mean or median as our centers, but here we're trying to find the mean. So what we need to do is, when we find the mean, is we take all the numbers and add them up. So take out your calculators. We're going to do 68 plus 83 plus 87 plus 79 plus 80 plus 80 plus 81 plus 93 plus 77. If you get that, you're going to have 728. Okay? But then again, we need to divide by the numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 data points in this data set, so we need to take that and divide it by 9. And we would get 80.89. Okay? And that 80.89 is going to be the mean of that data set. It's the average. So now we're trying to find the median of the prices of gas, of a gallon of gas. So when we do the median, we need to put it in number order and find the middle number in between that. So we're going to do 1.99, cross it out. The next lowest I see is 2.05. Cross that out. I see a 212. And a 215. A 275. A 3 and a 5. Okay, so now they're in number order. Now we need to cancel them out. So we cancel out the edges and work towards the middle. Well, as we can see, the median is going to be $2.15. Now, what's important to look at this is what shape would the above data set have. So if you can recall, we're going to have either a bell-shaped curve like this, a skew left curve, or a skew right curve like that. Do we see how this one right here is in the middle? This one has a tail right here, and this one has a tail right here. So, while we haven't gone over how to draw these out, if you can think about it, I would say my answer would be right here, this one, because if we look, the data sets here, the data set right here, up there, they're all kind of in the same group, right? We range in about $1 from $1.99 to $3. But now, if we look at what 5 is kind of out of the range of all of those. So that 5 would be where this tail is right here. Because right here is all the other numbers, and then 5 being on a number line is going to be way out here. Okay? So, we're going to find the mode, maximum, minimum, and range of the following data set. So, we got to find them, we got to put them in number order. So, 4, I see, 2 5s, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18. And if you didn't see that, these three numbers are the only ones out of order. So now that is our data set. Well, the min is just the farthest left number, the smallest number, and we're going to have 4. The maximum is the largest number right here, which would be 18. Let's do the mode here. Mode is the most common number in the set, and I see 2 5s, so we're going to have 5. And then the range is we take the largest number minus the smallest number. So 18 minus 4, we would get 14. Okay. Last problem here. So, draw a box and whisker plot, then find the IQR of the following set of test scores from a class. So, what we need to do is put it in number order. And I see the lowest one was a 67. And then 75. Make sure we cross them out just to be sure about what we are writing down. I see an 80, an 85, 88, 90, got rid of the 90 and the 88. So now we have a 91, 98, and a 100. 91, 98, 100. So all these have been canceled out. So now what we need to do is make a number line. And the number line doesn't have to be exact. But so I know, let's make this 60 to 110 over here. So now what we need to do is find the median. So we're going to cancel out the farthest edges. All right, so we're going to be between 85 and 88. Well, 85 and 88, there's a difference of 3 there. Half of 3 is 1.5, so I'm going to take 1.5, add it to 85, so I'm going to have 86.5. So I'm going to need to be, we said 86.5 for our median. And that would be about 20, let's make an 80 here, a 100 here. Oh, I messed up on my number line here. Let's just erase it. Actually, why don't we do this? So we'll put our 86.5 in the middle. And so then, now we have a line separating these two. Oh, hold on. We have a bunch of mistakes now. No, that line is supposed to divide right there. So now what we need to do is cancel out right here. Well, now my Q1 is 76. Q1 is 76, and my Q3 is 91. So now there's about a 10 unit difference. Make that space 10. This is going to be our Q1, which is then 76. Well, right here, 91 is about 5 units away from the median, so we're going to need to make that space smaller. About there is what I would say. So now, here is 91. So now we have the box part of our box and whisker done. But now we need to make our tails. So if we look at our tails, or the whisker part, well, the space here is going to be about 9. So we'll make it just a little bit smaller than the inside box. We call that about right. And now we need about 10 or another 9 right here. Thanks. And now we need to put another 9 over here.
What?
So that is our box and whisker plot that we've made. Okay. Now we need to find the IQR. So the IQR is just the Q3 minus Q1. So we're going to have 91 minus 76. 15. All right. Yeah. 15 is our interquartile range right there. All right. I apologize if this video is a little long, but again, no homework, so I'm just making sure that we understand what's going on so we are ready for this test, okay?